nation, and it was causing water shortage, landslide, shortage of firewood and fodder. This was making their daily life very difficult as all those things were required fundamentally by the people living there. The three lessons which all of us learn from this movement are not get the result best. Anything can be achieved. It is determined. Overuse of anything will cause future catastrophe, and where there's a will, there's a way. Thank you.
निरंजन, मैं रिमूव कर दूं? निरंजन को रिमूव कर दूं या निरंजन अपना माइक ऑफ रखेगा? नेक्स्ट
हम बोलेंगे।
हम नहीं करो, जिसको बोलना है वो स्टार्ट कीजिए।
SST project done by Achal Kumari. Value based question. Question number first. Why is the Chipko movement called a fight for survival? The Chipko movement was based on the Gandhi philosophy of non-violence to conservation of the forest from destruction. The aggression inspired the women. They hugged the tree and said if the trees were to be cut, they would have first to kill the woman. This movement is called fight for survival because trees are important for all living beings because they give us oxygen which is essential for the life. Question number 2. Mention any three lessons which you all of learned from this movement. Three lessons.
What happened? Okay, next.
Morning, all of you. I am Ansika of class 8S. First of all, I would like to thank our social science teacher, Mrs. Aparna Bhasak ma'am, to give me a golden opportunity to share my views on the topic Chipko movement. So the first question is, why is the Chipko movement called a fight for survival? The Chipko movement was a non-violent agitation in 1973 that was aimed at protection and conservation of trees, but perhaps it is the best remembered for the collective mobilization of women for the cause of preserving forests. It also brought a change in attitudes regarding their own status in the society. The uprising against the felling of trees and maintaining the ecological balance originated in Uttar Pradesh, Chamoli district in 1973, and in no time it spread into another northern state. The name of the movement, Chipko, comes from the word embrace, as the villagers hug the trees and encircle them to prevent being harmed. The original Chipko movement was started in 18th century in Rajasthan. A large group of people from 84 villages, led by a lady Amrita Devi, laid down their lives in an effort to protect the trees from being felled on the order of the king of the Jodhpur. In 20th century, the movement begins at Hill. The Chipko movement of 1973 was most famous among these. The Chipko movement can essentially called the women movement. Sheer survival made women to support the movement on this dodal block in commemorating the 45th anniversary of the movement, Google wrote the Chipko Andolan also stands out as an eco-feminist movement. Many people were involved in Chipko movement. The Chipko movement gained traction under Mr. Sundarlal Bhavana, a Gandhian activist and philosopher whose appeal to Mrs. Indira Gandhi, the Prime Minister of India, resulted in the green felling ban. Mr. Bhagwana coined the Chipko slogan, "Ecology is the permanent economy." Second question, mention any three lessons which all of us learn from this movement. We should love our environment. We should never harm the environment at any cost and take the measure to prevent it. If someone tries to harm our environment, we should oppose that also. And last, I would like to end my words with the poem of the poet Mr. Ghanshyam Rautri, whose song echo throughout the Himalayas of Uttar Pradesh. He wrote the poem, derived the method of embarrassing the trees to save them from falling. Embarrass the trees and save them from being felled. Embarrass the trees and save them from being felled. The properties of our hills, save them from being looted. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस। आपने मेहनत की है अंशिका
Please
ठाकुर।
admit Tanushree.
ओके तनुश्री, बोलो बेटा। अंशिका,
मैम तनुश्री को एडमिट कीजिए, वो अंदर नहीं।
मैं एडमिट कर ली बेटा। वृष्टि को की, आनंद वैभव को की, सबको कर रही हूँ, कोशिश कर रही हूँ। मैंने जिन लोग दिख जाए ठीक ठाक। आप बोलते किसको करने के लिए बोल रहे हो बेटा?
मैम तनुश्री।
तनुश्री, तनुश्री को कई बार की हूँ, कई बार तनुश्री को की हूँ। एक मिनट अब तो
मैम हो गया।
अच्छा बोलो, बाकी बच्चे बोलो। मैं कोशिश करी हूँ। तनुश्री को बोलो फिर से एक बार ट्राई करने। मुझे नहीं दिख।
मैम एडमिट हो गई।
हाँ
मैम हो गई।
मैं एडमिट बोलिए। नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट
वहाँ पे होगा।
मैम सृष्टि।
ओके, जो बात कर रहे हैं काइंडली म्यूट योरसेल्फ। अगर दिख मैंने आज रिमूव किए तो फिर 7 डेज आपका नाम नोट करके रखूंगी। आई विल नॉट अलाउ यू। मेंटेन डिसिप्लिन। बोलो नेक्स्ट।
I am Srishti Raj of class 8C, and today I am going to share my views on Chipko movement. And the first question is, why is the Chipko movement called a fight for survival? The Chipko movement is called fight for survival because it is a fight to protect a part of a natural environment from getting harmed. It aimed at the protection and conservation of forest from destruction. The Chipko Andolan fueled worldwide attention. It is the symbolic heading of tree huggers who put themselves in danger as they hug the tree and said if they were to be cut, they would have to first kill the woman embarrassing them. It was first started in a remote village high up in the Himalaya in 1972. Question number 2. Mention key lessons which all of us learned from this movement. The answer: 3 lessons which all of us learn from the movement are: we should take care of our natural environment from getting harmed. We should protect and conserve forests from destruction. We should not cut trees because it helps us to breathe by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen, and the roots of the tree bind soil particles from soil erosion. Thank you.
गुड। नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट। यस ऋषिराज आपका दिख रहा है। यस ओके। नेक्स्ट आपने जो दिखा रहे हैं बैक कैमरा से कॉपी, वो प्रोजेक्ट आपका दिख रहा है। ओके नेक्स्ट। शानवी कौन बोलोगी? जिसे बोलना स्टार्ट कीजिए।
Good morning, Aparna ma'am and all of you. Here I am, Divya Raj of class 8B, going to start an activity on Chipko movement. So let's start activity with first question. The question is, why is the Chipko movement called a fight for survival? The Chipko movement called a fight for survival because trees are very important for humans because they gives us oxygen. So if trees are not present, no life can survive. Question number 2.
Mention any three lessons which all of us learn from this movement. Three lessons which all of us learn from this movement are: first, we should love our environment. Second, if someone or something does so, we should oppose that also. Third, stop cutting of trees for better environment. Fourth, we should not harm the environment at any cost and take measures to prevent it. At last, I would like to end my activity with a beautiful slogan that ecology is the permanent economy. Thank you.
Good. Divya Raj is showing her project. अगर बोलना चाहती तो बोलो. और नेक्स्ट है तनुश्री. ओके, चलो दिव्या बोलो.
मैम बोल दिए.
दिव्या बोल दी. अच्छा, प्रोजेक्ट दिखा रही थी. ओके ओके, चलो तनुश्री. तनुश्री.
Good morning. I can see answering some question related to Chipko movement. First question. Why is the Chipko movement called the fight for survival? Chipko movement is the forest movement held in Chamoli district in Uttarakhand. The people hug the trees to prevent them from cutting. In this movement, the people of Uttarakhand plays a very vital role, including Gaura Devi, Suraksha Devi, Bachni Devi, and many others. This movement is also called a fight for survival because trees are very important for humans. It is also believed that there is a traditional relationship between forest and humans. They give us food, medicines, firewood, oxygen, etc. If trees are not present on this earth, human beings cannot survive. Mention any three lessons which all of us learn from this moment. The lessons which all of us learn from this moment are: we should love our environment, we should not harm the environment at any cost and take measures to prevent it. If someone or something does so, we should oppose that also. At last, I want to say that ecology is a permanent economy.
गुड. अभिनव बोलना चाहते हो? तनुश्री दिख रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
अभिनव स्टार्ट करो. तनुश्री, योर वर्क इज गुड. अभिनव.
SST project work, the Chipko movement, based on value-based questions. First question, why is the Chipko movement called a fight for survival? In India, the Chipko movement started in 1973 in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. This non-violence method, based on Gandhian philosophy, spread in every corner of the world. When the contractors came to cut the trees, people started hugging the trees and said, "Cut us with the tree." In these people, there is a big role of women, and women are the reason that this movement succeeded. The movement gained traction under Sundar Lal Bahuguna, an eco-activist who spent his life persuading and educating the villagers to protest against the destruction of the forest. It was his endeavor that saw the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi banning the cutting of trees. This movement is also called a fight for survival because trees are very important for humans because they give us oxygen. So if trees are not present, no life can survive on earth. Question number 2. Mention any three lessons which all of us learn from this movement. The lessons are as follows. We should love and take care of our environment. Number 2. We should not harm the environment at any cost and should take measures to prevent it. Number 3. We should stop and oppose deforestation and should plant trees as much as we can. Thank you.
Very good. Here we have seen that so many persons collected so many materials, so many knowledges they share about Chipko movement. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट और कोई बोलना चाहते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. बोलना चाहें.
हाँ बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. बोलना चाहते हैं.
आपके माइक से आवाज आ रही है. हाँ बोलिए.
Value based question.
Chipko movement. Question number 1. Why is the Chipko movement called a fight of survival? The Chipko movement or Chipko Andolan was a forest conservation movement in India. It was held in 1970s in Uttarakhand. Afterwards, it became a part of Uttar Pradesh and went on to become a rallying point for many future environmental movements all over the world. This Chipko movement was started by Sundar Lal Bahuguna. Afterwards, many villagers took place in this act, including Gaura Devi, Suraksha Devi, Sudesha Devi, etc. The aim was to protect trees. It is called a fight of survival because trees are life. We can't live without trees. We can't live without trees. It brought about a change in attitude regarding their own status in society. Question number 2. May mention any 3 lessons which all us learned from this movement. We should not cut trees, plant more and more trees. We can save our environment by taking steps. The Chipko movement also teach us the value that women's liberations is not only about liberations from oppression of the patriarchal societies that dominate the world, but also about the liberation of the men and women colonized by the economic logic of domination and unlimited and irrational exploitation of nature by capital.
Very good, Vrishti. Any more want to share her view on Chipko movement?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who? बोलो, कंटिन्यू करो.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
I am just from class 8C. A value-based question. Question number 1. Why Chipko movement called a fight for survival? Chipko movement is a forest conservation movement in India. It was held in Chamoli district in Uttarakhand. The people used the tree to prevent them from cutting. This movement is also called fight for survival because trees are very important for humans because they give us oxygen. Question 2. Mention 3 lessons which all of us learn this movement. We should love our environment. We should not cut tree and plant more and more tree. We can save our environment with taking steps.
Any other?
यस मैम.
कौन?
यस बोलना चाहते हैं.
कौन? बोलो.